Hi, I'm Keith Shuttleworth of Keith Shuttleworth and Associates. We've been in business 20 years, and in that time we've sold thousands of steam quality test kits to major pharma companies around the world. The steam quality test kit is to test steam in accordance with both EN 285 and HTM 2010. The non-condensable gas test measures the amount of gases present in steam, such as air or carbon dioxide. The non-condensable gas test is carried out by turning a sample of steam into condensate using a water-cooled condenser, and at the same time collecting any gases released by the steam in a burette. The difference in gas volume and the condensate collected during the test period is expressed as a percentage, and the change in volume of gas must be less than 3.5% of the change in volume of condensate. Uniquely, we provide a submersible pump which allows the use of cooling water from a bucket or other container to be used, making the test truly portable and not requiring a local source of cooling water at each test point. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please contact us if you need further information.